Pharmapal.
Importing and indexing data in R. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of R programming, focusing specifically on importing and indexing data. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this session will equip you with the knowledge you need to handle data effectively in R. What you will learn: understanding data types and structures, importing data from delimited files, viewing data, indexing data frames, setting up your R project. Before we get started, make sure you have a new R project set up. Create a subdirectory named Data in your project directory and save the provided files from the zip link in your data directory. This will keep your workspace organized and ready for action. Understanding data types and structures. R is a flexible language that can handle various types of data. Let's break down some essential terminology. Double, numeric data with decimal points, also known as float. Integer, whole numbers without decimals. Character, alphanumeric data, often referred to as strings. Logical, represents true, false, or missing values, also known as Boolean. Now, let's talk about how R organizes data. Vector, a one-dimensional structure with values of the same data type. Data frame, a two-dimensional structure where rows represent observations and columns represent variables. Factor, a special type of vector used for categorical data. Importing data. Most of the time, we'll be working with tabular data, often in CSV format. To import a CSV file, we use the read.csv function. Here's how you do it. Scores less than, read.csv data/experiment_data.csv, strings as factors equals true. In this line, we read the CSV file and assign it to the variable scores, which is now a data frame. The strings as factors equals true argument tells R to treat character data as factors. Viewing data. Once we've imported our data, it's crucial to understand what we're working with. You can use several functions to view your data. View opens the data frame in a spreadsheet format. str displays the structure of the data frame, including variable types. Head shows the first few rows of the data frame. Tail displays the last few rows. For example, to view the structure of our data, we can run str scores. Indexing a data frame. Indexing is how we access specific parts of our data frame. In R, indexing starts at 1. Here's how you can index. Specific value. To get a specific value, use the format data frame row, column. For example, to access the math score for the first participant. Scores 1, 9, accessing the math score for the first participant. Whole row, to get all scores for participant 1. Scores 1, all data for participant 1. Specific column, to access all values in a specific column, leave the row index blank. Scores 4, accessing all values in the fourth column. Indexing by criteria. You can also index data based on specific criteria. For instance, to find all rows where the pretest score is greater than or equal to 70. Scores pretest greater than equals 70. This will return all participants who scored 70 or above on the pretest. And that's a wrap on importing and indexing data in R. Remember, understanding your data types and structures is crucial for effective data analysis. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be navigating R like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more learning sessions. Happy coding! Thank you for joining us today, and see you in the next session.
Pharmapal.